You hungry? Let's make a snack.
Here is a beautiful ribeye steak. Fair amount of kosher salt and black pepper. I'm gonna massage it in real good and give the steak a flip. Same thing, second side.
First things first is you gotta make sure that pan is smoking hot. If it ain't smoking hot, don't cook this steak, okay?
I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and then in goes the steak.
Now, once you put this steak on, do not touch it. I know you're gonna be tempted to touch it. Don't touch it because you want a proper sear. All right, once the steak is done, set it over here and let it rest. Let's make us a sauce. To the pan, we're gonna put a little bit of garlic. To that garlic, I got a little bit of Dijon mustard. You cannot forget a couple dashes of Worcestershire. Just give that a little bit of a mix. So the idea here is to let the garlic cook nice and slow so it turns sweet. Don't let it burn or else it'll be too bitter.
Now to the pan, I'm gonna add in a little bit of heavy cream. All right, my last two ingredients for the sauce will be a little bit of black pepper and just a handful of grated Parmesan cheese.
Completely ignored. People will laugh about John Travolta, Olivia Newton-John, white polyester suits and platform shoes and going like this. But we had nothing to do with those things and still loved disco. Those who didn't understand will never understand. Disco was much more and much better than all that. Disco was too great and too much fun to be gone forever.
Now, all you got to do is bow your head and say grace. Grace.